Welcome guys. In this video you will learn how to create a perfect prompts for ChatGPT to get the best results quickly. I will guide you through 7 essential steps of prompt engineering that can save your hours of frustration and help you to avoid common mistakes. These practices will enhance your interaction with ChatGPT, Claude, Bing, or any other AI model you are using. So don't miss a single step. So let's jump in and discover how to elevate your prompting skills. Step 1 is to be very specific. Provide as much details as possible in your prompts. Many people rush on this step, hoping to get results and plans to revise later. But being detailed from the start leads to better output. For example, let's ask ChatGPT, tell me about different cat breeds. Or to be more specific, we're gonna ask here, so if you give a lot more specific prompt, your answer will be more specific here. We got a perfect example of small cat for living apartment. So number 2 is state your intent. You need to state your intent into the prompt. So let's go ahead and ask ChatGPT that explain quantum physics. So we didn't state our intent here and we are going to send this to ChatGPT and ChatGPT has given me answers with lot more examples. Now let's go ahead and give the same prompt with setting our intent in the prompt. So I have typed in that I need answer in a simple way for my 5th grade son. He got a homework on what is quantum physics. Please keep it short in a paragraph. Let's go ahead and send this. So now I got a perfect, meaningful answer in a simple paragraph. So that is all about stating your intention into the prompt. Now the point number 3 is you need to use the correct grammar and spellings the best you can. The wrong spellings and a grammar mistake could send the AI model in the wrong direction. Even though you can go ahead and fix all of your spelling mistakes. Correcting all these spellings will ensure that you are going to get the best results of your prompt. So the number 4 is direct output format. Give it some direction on what kind of output you are looking for. For example, we're gonna ask, could you list the steps to break down a chocolate cake? This will give us the step-by-step process of breaking down the chocolate cake. Or we could go ahead and we could ask it that, could you explain the same process in a paragraph? Now it's gonna answer us simple and straight in the paragraph instead of whole bunch of text. Number 5 is to following up with questions. Sometime even if you gave it a perfect prompt, you still need to follow up the questions to clarify or to change something. For example, I ask here that can we make this paragraph more simple and to the point to break down chocolate cake? That's simple. So number 6 is if you don't get the results what you are looking for, you can experiment with different phrases. So sometimes the model doesn't understand how you phrased it, but this perfect formula I'm going to show you is going to get results most of the time. If it doesn't, just experiment with different phrasing and moving things around. Number 7 is sometime I do a fact checking prompt. So I usually get my results, then I feed it back and I say, can you fact check this statement or whatever output I got? This just ensure that it runs through it one more time. Okay, let me show you this formula. If you use it based on all specific information, you're going to get results that are going to be far better than what you are getting right now. So here is the formula. Context plus specific information plus your intent plus the response format that you want is equals to the perfect prompt. So I will give you a couple of different examples. So here is the perfect prompt. I gonna send it that I'm a beginner cook trying to make Italian cuisine. Can you provide a simple step and easy to follow recipe for spaghetti carbonara? Write it as a step-by-step list. You could also give it something else. For example, you can give me a perfect recipe. You could even add more context in the formula. But this is a perfect prompt. So now you copy and paste this prompt and then you are gonna get the results. That's far better than going back and forth for a whole bunch of time. So here is the example. Context is I am a software developer. Specific information is working on a Python project. Intent or a goal is can you explain how to implement exception handling in Python? And response format, if needed, write it in a simple paragraph or list. So this is the perfect prompt for today's example. Instead of wasting your time, you can use this prompt format to send prompt to any AI model and you will also be amazed by the results. So that's it about today's quick video on how to write a perfect prompt and get the perfect result without wasting your time. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe ITPK.